Welcome to the channel, where bold mechanical ideas become reality. In this video, we turn a gasoline motorcycle into an electric motorcycle. The first step is removing the gas engine and unnecessary components. Next, a high-power electric motor is installed into the original frame. The battery system is placed carefully to ensure balance and safety. A central controller is connected to manage speed and performance. After installation, the entire system is thoroughly tested. The electric motorcycle is now ready to run without using any fuel. It runs quietly, saves money, and is more environmentally friendly. This is a future solution for those who love technology and innovation. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next breakthrough idea.
Run with my toxic love. Look how you make me happy. You take a hold of me. You take a hold of I wish I could give you up, but you're my new favorite drug. Enter into my blood. Run with my toxic love. Look how you make me happy. You take a hold of me. You take a hold of me. just can't stay here. Stagnant under pressure. Let me guide you, 'cause there ain't no way. To the pressure of the outside. Feel like taking over. Let me, 'cause there ain't no way. Let me guide you to revive. No way. Feel to the pressure of the outside. Come to me. Let me help you revive the light.
Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next idea video.